Me, 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 me. If you ask any girl in the village around who pleases her most from her head to her toes, she'll say, I'm not sure, this business of yours. I do like to hang with those kayakers, for they go burling down the white water. That's where the kayakers learn their cool moves is burling down the white water. The kayaking boys please the girls completely. I like to go down when their trip's almost done and watch all those boys as they work on the river. We know in the evening they're be in the bar. We're all going to flirt with the kayakers before they go burling down the white water. That's where the kayakers learn their cool moves is burling down the white water. The kayaking boys please the girls completely. To please both my parents, I've had to give way and date all those bankers and doctors and lawyers. Their manners are fine, they're boring as clay. There's none that's as cool as a kayaker, for he goes burling down the white water. That's where the kayakers learn their cool moves is burling down the white water. The kayaking boys please the girls completely.
This song!
Not as fine as my boy on the river. This time I think if he asks me again, I think I will marry my kayaker, for he goes burling down the white water. That's where the kayakers learn all their cool moves is burling down the white water. The kayaking boys please the girls completely. Ain't that the truth?
I was just down with the putting it away.